What if President Truman had chosen invasion over the atomic bombs in 1945? Operation Downfall would have been the largest amphibious assault in history. The first phase alone was projected to cost 500,000 American lives. But the real nightmare would have just begun. Stalin, seeing his opportunity, would have invaded Hokkaido from the north. Japan would have been split like Germany, with Soviet control in the north. Millions of Japanese civilians, facing certain defeat, would have chosen mass suicide over surrender. The invasion would have dragged on for years, not months. Japanese reconstruction would have taken decades longer to begin. The Cold War would have started with a divided Japan as another flashpoint. No economic miracle in the 1960s, no technological revolution. The entire Pacific would have remained heavily militarized for generations. Today's Japan, peaceful and prosperous, would never have existed. Asia as we know it would be completely unrecognizable.